The new lead object in HubSpot. How to use it the right way.
The HubSpot Experts by WPWA Digital.
Hi and welcome back. Today we are talking about the new lead object in HubSpot, one of the most important updates for smooth handovers between marketing and sales. I'll show you what leads are, how they are created, and how to use them effectively. Hi, my name is Svenja, Head of MarTech and Systems at WPWA Digital. As an official Platinum partner, we help you with everything related to HubSpot. What is the lead object? A lead is now its own record type that sits between a contact and a deal. In the past, every new contact was automatically a lead, which was super confusing. Now you can finally track leads clearly, from new to qualified, before they move towards an opportunity or deal. Why HubSpot introduced leads? Marketing generates contacts. Sales works on real sales opportunities. The lead object creates a clean separation between the two. You can now clearly see how many leads are coming in, how many get qualified, how many turn into deals. Finally, a proper funnel transparency. How leads are created. There are currently only two ways: manually via CRM, leads, create, or manually direct from a contact or company. The latter often makes sense because the lead will be assigned to the most relevant record automatically via lead pipeline automation based on the contact's lifecycle stage. Important: you cannot create leads via classic workflows. However, workflows can change lifecycle stages, and that can then trigger a lead to be created. The lead object in practice. Every lead is associated with a contact or company. A contact or company can have multiple leads. For example, if they are interested in multiple products or services. A lead has its own properties such as lead status, lead source, owner. Through the pipeline, you define when a lead is qualified and should move into a deal. Deal creation can happen manually or automatically. By the way, you can also copy lead properties into deal properties. No need to maintain the same info twice. Reporting and handover. With the lead object, you can now cleanly measure how well marketing delivers qualified leads, how quickly sales responds, how many leads convert into deals, and where leads drop off. This is the foundation for true sales marketing alignment. That's it for the lead object in HubSpot. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next HubSpot tutorial.